Hey friends, happy Tuesday. Big day today. First test that you're taking at home. I feel like before, if I told you I was giving you a test to take at home, you'd be all excited about it. I don't think you're feeling the same way today, but you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Um, just like every other Google form that we've been doing, you guys have been doing great with them. I'm really proud of you for that. Up top, it just says the date and then geometry test. It says watch a video of Mr. Mac. That is this video. So make sure you watch this video before you take the test. Okay. So just like we've been doing, we're putting our name and our homeroom. Up here in my class, obviously McGuigan. If Miss Ogden, you put it in for Miss Ogden. Okay, first question, it says select a polygon that fits each description, quadrilateral, but not regular. So you're looking for a quadrilateral, but one that is not regular. All right, number two, same idea. You're looking at it says name the polygon and then determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. So you're going to be typing in here the name of this polygon and then regular or not regular. All right. Um, Question number three, it says name the polygon, determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. So you're doing multiple choice here to name this shape, this polygon, and telling us if it is a regular polygon or it is not regular. So again, for these problems, guys, make sure you're telling us the name of the polygon first, and then hit space and type regular or type not regular. All right, and make sure you're checking the spelling because spelling is going to be crucial here, okay? Number four, so you're picking multiple choice, so select a polygon that fits the description. You're looking for a hexagon that is regular. So hopefully you know what these vocabulary words are. Number five says classify the triangle based on its sides. There are ways you could classify them by sides and ways you could classify them by angles. So make sure you're looking at the sides for this one and for number six as well, okay? Number seven says find the volume. Number eight as well. So there was a strategy that you learned, a formula that you learned when you had to find the volume. I'll remind you, you can use the commutative property for these. Um, just see if you can remember what that means. I can't get too much more detail there because then I'm kind of telling you exactly what to do, and I can't do that for this test. All right. Number nine, it is a word problem. Leon wants to use a box for storage. The box is 11 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 18 inches deep. How many cubic inches of space does he have for storage? Remember, when you're looking at cubic inches, that tells you exactly what we're looking for. And I'll tell you, you're looking for the volume for this one, guys. All right. Number 10 and 11, we are classifying triangles based on their angles. So look at the angles and try and do your best guesstimate as to what angles are there in order to classify the triangle. Another word problem, we've got Mikey and Roy making a counter on their kitchen counter, excuse me. It says the counter has four sides. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Each corner of the counter is a right angle. Classify the shape. So classify as best as possible, okay? I'm going to tell you now, don't just tell me it's a quadrilateral because it has four sides. I want you to get way more specific than that based on the description that's given. All right, because quadrilateral could be many, many, many different shapes. We're looking to get as specific as possible. All right, 13, a little tricky, but that's why we're doing this to go over it. It says, which quadrilateral has all the attributes of a trapezoid? So I want you to think of what is the definition of a trapezoid, okay? And then tell me which one of these has all of those things in common, all right? 14, it says, which shape can be classified as a quadrilateral but not a parallelogram? So again, find which one of these is a quadrilateral but is not a parallelogram. 15, it says, which quadrilateral has all the attributes of a rectangle? Kind of like the question we said just one or two ago. Which one of these choices here has all of the same attributes as a rectangle? All right, so think about what the definition of a rectangle is and which one matches those. All right, 16, it says Abe made a rectangular prism that is 10 cubic inches. What is one set of possible dimensions for Abe's rectangular prism? Write this as blank times blank times blank. All right, so when we're looking at this problem, guys, I gave an example of an answer, 2 times 3 times 4. All right, these are just x's. So when you put your answer, you're just taking your three numbers and saying an x in between them, because if you're finding the volume, you're looking for three numbers here that when you multiply together gives you this. All right. And then 17, 18, and 19, you're just counting the cubic units. Okay. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. Um, and it says how many unit cubes are used, how many cubic units are used. So just make sure you're putting the number in there for those. But that's it. All right. Even though it's a test, you guys have any questions while you're doing it? We are available while you're taking the test. And when you get done, you can submit it here and you should be able to get your results right away. If you have questions about it, just reach out to me. All right, guys. Good luck. Take your time. Take a deep breath. You're going to be fine. All right. Have a great day, guys.